Ready to make a tactical shift by changing leaders in North Mobile? Hey guys, welcome back to my Gaming Easy, and in this video I'll show you how to easily change leaders in North Mobile to enhance your gameplay. Let's jump right in. First, open North Mobile on your device. Next, tap on the hero icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the change icon at the bottom left side of the screen. Your current leader is Oathkeeper, and if you don't want him as your leader anymore, there are more leader options towards the bottom of the screen. In this instance, we have selected Death Archer, and if you want her to be your next leader, just tap on the confirm button. And there you have it, changing leaders in Lords Mobile is that simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Make Gaming Easy for more helpful content. See you in the next video.